This video 9481. Here we have the doorknob, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that doorknob apart and put it here, and then put this one right here. Reason why I'm doing video 9481 before filming 9379, no, 9479 and 9480 is because I want to do a little prank. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this door apart because I need to use this doorknob. Oh yeah, this beam is it's already damaged. Holy crap! Not even that old. I just replaced this. So I'm gonna take the screws off of this doorknob and then put it over there. And use this weights one. And I need a screwdriver. And unfortunately, I don't have a screwdriver. I had one. I think I used one recently for the vacuum. Now I can't find it. This is a little bit too big. Okay, I'm gonna use this. So this doorknob doesn't have screws because the screw holes are manufactured the wrong way. So I had to use tape and strings to hold it together. However, the doorknob is working correctly. So I'm gonna go and take this door apart. I'll put the phone on the garage ramp and take it out. And then video 93, 94, 79, 90, no. Video 9480 will be the unboxing of the doorknob. And I'm trying to go ahead and take this out. And cut out to lose the parts. And this doorknob, I need it now. And then I'm gonna hold this bolts, and I don't have a place to put these fasteners, so I'm gonna use my I lost some tools already. I'm gonna use this container that I got back in February. Right, and take this other one out. And that scratch, or that just tape? No, just trash, actually. Actually, I can't tell. It might be tape, but this doorknob was barely used. And I'm trying to enclose my brother's bed to make room for the Hot Wheels event center, which will be completed by early July. It's gonna be much faster than finishing the Hot Wheels complex. And today's kind of a special day because today's the year 2024, and today's Friday the 24th. Take the two halves apart, and you have the deadbolt here. I left a comment on Germany Elevators video because he filmed some elevators from 2012, Schindler elevators, and they got, you know what? I take this apart. I mean to take this apart. 1 second. This is actually right here. And I'm going to this latch apart. So left a comment on that video, because those videos, elevators received a slap one month, 4 years after they were installed. And I got that notification right now. So, but back to this doorknob project. I mean this door project. So I had to use tape, and hopefully this is the internal part. We have strings right here to hold this door together, and I maybe use those. I'm just gonna, oh, look at that, we're gonna tape this right here. But because we're gonna take this doorknob apart, we can't. I can either cut this piece of tape off, or we use it for the new doorknob. And then this, like that, comes, oh wait, yeah. Oh, there's tape on the outside of the door, and this door weighs a lot lighter. Now, honestly, the door was like this. I could have done it without this internal part, but that would be kind of dangerous. So now it's time to remove the, and hopefully I don't have to use, oh. Okay. Holy crap. Oh, you know what? I ripped the cardboard apart. Now I have to patch that. Don't rip it too much. And we're almost there. Take this internal part off. Why you guys watch that? So we just pull this. Here we go. And we need to take the latch apart. And with a quick comparison where I installed the doorknob in video 93. I keep saying 93, even though it's 94 actually. Oh, I'm gonna cut this tape, and this tape is actually underneath this large piece of tape that held the doorknob. So this is gonna be trash, because I don't think the Quicks the doorknob would have those screw issues. Then you take this part and here and this here. And this should come off. Oh, you know what? There's tape holding it from the inside to this portion. You can tell by all the layers of tape. The first, the one at the very bottom, which is this one, comes from this side. So I can either cut it or try removing it. And if I can't get it off, I'm trying not to cut that piece of tape that goes inside. Ouch. And you know what? This piece of tape are stuck together. So I'm gonna have to get a knife and cut through it. Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna cut through this. Got the piece apart. And then you just pull this out, and then we're ready to install the new one when we unbox it. But for now, that's it for video 93. That's it for video 93, 80, 94, 81.